Hello, everybody. All right, welcome to my channel, Monica Kapala. Today we have Zulu and Woman. He's missing 2 teeth now. He's a big boy.
And I lost this one.
Yeah. So today, like you can see by the title, we're gonna make some rice and beans. So a lot of people have been asking me for that recipe. So I said, okay, well, we'll do it. So what we need, excuse me, young and beans. It's so simple. It's not really complicated.
You need rice and beans.
You need rice.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, this is basically what you need. You need your basmati rice or jasmine rice, but I like the basmati rice better. And then like six to 8 cups of rice, 1.5 cups of dry beans. It could be kidney beans, black beans, or these beans, and dry. Okay.
Yeah,
This spice, you know how to make it because I have the video. You can go there and watch it. How to make your own pies at home. This is what you need. You need that for the black and beans. And then I have some cloves. And then, of course, my loaves.
Whoa.
Okay. Then we cook the beans, okay? When you cook it, you see it's tender. Now it's tender, okay? All right, we got it cooked. And then what else we need? We need a chaudière. Well, this part is called chaudière, okay? That's what we need. Sometimes it's not clean on the outside. Don't worry about it, okay? So we need something steady like this instead of something like this, okay? If you cook your rice in something like this, it's gonna get burnt, okay? Ou pas use un petit bagage comme ça pour faire dire la boule. Ou besoin bon chaudière, okay? Ou besoin bon chaudière. Don't laugh at my chaudière, okay? The outside doesn't count. So nous besoin bon chaudière pour capable bouler et pour pas pat. Okay? There you go. So now you put your olive oil. I use olive oil, so I don't know, it's up to you guys. Put a little bit of olive oil. Okay? And then I have my spice.
Add any oil your heart desires.
Exactly. Can you get me a spoon over there? A big one. No, aluminum. We don't use that for rice. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay? So, there you go. So I have my oil, my spice. I put 1 big spoon in there. Okay? And then my beans already cooked. Okay? You have to let it cook first to do this. No, this is the first. It's already cooked. It takes a little while to cook it, okay? Let it cook well. Okay? Woman, we are live. We are live, guys. Woman. Okay? I'm gonna put my cooked beans in there. Okay? Spice. Okay? I'm gonna put some rice. A little bit of flour. No, not garlic. Cloves.
That's what we have these pictures.
You like it? Oh, that's not the right one. Okay? You cover it for a few minutes. so the salt and spice can get into the beans, okay? All right. So a few minutes, we're gonna pour the water that was in the beans, okay? That's it. You can add a little bit of water if you want. You add a little bit of water, okay? So be careful with your salt. When you use Lorry's, you don't mostly, I don't use salt. Once I use a little bit of Lorry's,
Is very,
it's salty.
very salty.
I know. So I'm gonna cover it, let it boil. I keep doing this. I'm gonna let it boil. So again?
Gungu.
Balade. Kiss again? Kiss again? Ugangu? Okay, give me a few minutes, okay? Manje après cuit. Okay, you're gonna let the water boil. In the meantime, you're gonna wash your rice, okay? Always wash it.
Yeah, because it's dirty.
Always wash your rice. I wash mine 3 times. Okay? Wash it, wash it, wash it. Thank you. Don't forget, you don't cover it at this time. At this time, you don't cover your rice because it's gonna be slimy. So you leave it open, okay? Don't cover it at this point. I'll tell you when to cover it. So, guys, at this point, my rice is dry. I'm gonna put it on the low, see? Low, because you don't want it to be dry. See, I put it on the low. And I'm gonna turn my rice now, okay? Boa virer du riz. Si je gagne pile poids, parce que je mets un pile poids là-dedans. Il y a des gens qui vont mettre un pile poids, mais il y a des gens qui So I put a lot of beans because I like it with a lot of beans. So, see? Looks good already, right? But it's not cooked. It's not ready yet. So I'm gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna let it simmer like for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, okay? Because it's not ready. So, on va tout faire du riz pour le bien cuit. Okay? Put it on 2 maybe. 1, 2 over there. Okay? Leave it there, let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. Okay? And then it'll be ready. This is the most important part. That will make it cook. So pas faire ça, va cuit. Okay? See? It's steaming. Alright. So now, guys, like you can see, my rice looks good, and this is my chicken, by the way. I'm gonna eat it with some chicken. I had the hens, you know, the real chicken.
I think that's a little too much rice.
See, I got my chicken ready. Maybe that's another recipe for you guys. That's a whole chicken I made, okay? All right, I'm gonna eat it with my rice. The rice looks good. My rice is tender. Tender.
Whoa.
Cooked. See, it's not mushy. Do you have papat?
No.
Gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it with the chicken here. Nice, huh? All right, I'm gonna taste it. You know, this is my favorite part, right? I'm gonna taste it. Okay. Hey.
Look at my dance now. Look, everybody.
Come here.
Look
Come
at
here.
this.
No, I don't want that.
No, look at this.
What, man? Oh my God. And look. Come.
Look at
Go ahead, do it. Let me see.
But I still don't do that.
Okay, come back to eat now. We're gonna pray first. We have to pray first, okay, guys? We have to pray first.
Oh.
All right, this is the final result. Me manger, rice and beans
Chicken. And chicken.
and chicken.
We both say so blackout. You said blackout. We both say blackout. So I said blackout. So we're both in blackout.
Yeah. But that's rice and beans and chicken. You like it, huh, guys? It's hot. All right, this is the final result. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna taste it. Is video taping? Put your finger there. This is it, right? This is my rice and beans. I'm so anxious now. But I do have to put a little bit of chicken on it, okay? A little bit of gravy, a little bit of chicken on it. Alright, I'm gonna go there like this. Music away so you can listen to me. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken on my rice and bean and take a bite. It's so good. A little bit of buns. It's so good. You got to try it. You got to try it. And my chicken is so tender. That's another recipe coming, okay? It's not regular chicken. It's the ham.
Who did that?
We'll make it one day.
Wait, Daddy
But now-
had made that at
With my rice and bean. It's really good. It's really good.
It's steamy hot.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it and let me know. Comment down below how did you like yours, okay? All right. Thank you. Bye.
From say bye. Bye.
More.
Bye. Miss that. I love that. Bye. That's the fun. Can you send this to mommy?
What?
My mommy. Can you send this to my mommy?
Yeah, she's gonna see it on YouTube.
Yeah.